is for apple, crunchy and sweet. B is for ball that rolls on our feet. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog who barks all day. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish who swims away. G is for girl who loves to draw. H is for hat, hip hip hurrah. I is for ice, so cool and nice. J is for juice with mango slice. K is for kite that soars up high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging so fast. N is for nest, built to last. O is for owl, who says hoo-hoo. P is for parrot, a feather so blue. Q is for quetzal, colorful and bright. R is for rainbow, what a lovely sight. S is for sun, shining up above. T is for train that we all love. U is for umbrella, on sunny days too. V is for van, that drives us through. W is for watch that ticks so fine. X is for box with toys inside. Y is for yellow, like honey and light. Z is for zebra, black